Guys, in this video today I will show you the review for Moto G4. So this is a budget oriented smartphone from Motorola, and this is a very good handset, and its price is around 12,500. This is the 3.5 mm audio port. This is the 13 megapixel camera. This is the dual tone LED flash. This is a Motorola logo, and this is the micro USB port. And let me show you the back. This device is quite sleek and very stylish, and this is the SIM tray. As you can see, this tray is already pre-inserted, and this one nano SIM, and you can actually take out and insert a micro SIM also. So this is very good concept of Motorola. And as you can see, this is a 3000 mAh battery which is sealed inside, so it is not removable. Let me peel off that. And this device is also not waterproof, but it has nano coating which will survive only water splashes, and that is very good. Now I will give you the internal overview, and this is the powered by the Snapdragon 617 chipset, and is clocked at 1.52 GHz. And it's an octa-core processor. So GPU is the Adreno 405. Then the screen is a full HD display, that is 1080 by 1920 pixels, 403.23 ppi, and obviously it's running the Android version 6.0.1. That's the Marshmallow, which is the latest, and it has a 2 gigs of RAM for and in the first boot we get around 1.5 GB free. And this is the Wi-Fi connection, and the battery is 3000 mAh battery. The internal memory is also 16 gigs of memory. Let me show you. This is the internal gigs, and right now it's 1.77 gigs is used. And the screen on time is also very good in this device. Now my battery is 32%, but the screen on time is very good, and the battery life is very awesome. Let me show you screen on time. Now it's showing I can easily get 4 hours of screen on time, which is very good in my opinion. And obviously it's running the Android version 6.0.1. and let me show you the sensors. These are all the sensors presented. The accelerometer, the gyroscope is also presented, so you can enjoy 3D videos. And game rotation vector, these all are the sensors present. Motor glance gesture, this is also present. Obviously glance gesture. DI proximity sensor is also present. And chop gesture, as you can note, that's what torch. For example, if I do, as you can see, it's working fine. The torch is running and it's stopped. The rear camera is 13 megapixel, and so these are the support Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, GPS. NFC is not supported, but microphone, camera is also supported. Multi-touch is also supported, and yeah, so these are the functions of this device. And what else? So let me show you the camera overview. So this is the camera which we are getting with it, and it's a 13 megapixel shooter. So let me just show you the picture. Let me click this object. So let me just show you the snap. So the pictures came out to be really sharp, but it can take some time to focus, as it has not the laser doesn't has the laser autofocusing system. It lacks the laser autofocusing system which is present in the Moto G4 Plus model, and the fingerprint scanner also. And yeah, and this is the phone dialer. So let me show you another thing. If you do like this, the camera launches. So that's the motor gesture, and So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.